This is yet another key milestone day for ADPC. We're stood here on Fenci, which is the second of our 2 ADPC tugs for the new Khalifa Port. So it's an incredible day. Our ports unit have officially inaugurated these 2 tugs. We've just cut the ribbon and we're just about to have a little bit of fun here actually this evening. We're going to break the fast in about 10 minutes time, and we're going to enjoy tonight an iftar with a special theme, and of course that's our 2 marine tugs.
These are specially designed to handle some of the largest ships that are working in this part of the world, largest container ships in the world. This boat particularly has been designed to handle vessels like the Emma Maersk, and which is like 400 meters long. We've got 5,500 horsepower in this boat on twin screw azimuth stern drives. The boat itself is 32 meters long and nearly 12 meters beam with all the fenders. She's designed to be stable, powerful and safe.
Today we're celebrating the first 2 boats coming, Tug Boats coming to Khalifa Port. It is the first it's a milestone that we achieved, and it's very important to us because this is what we can operate Khalifa Port in.
We are incredibly proud to welcome these tug boats today, and we are looking forward to the September 1st opening Khalifa Port.